A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, the Trump administration has escalated its battle over tariffs by taking the fight to the U.S. Supreme Court. On Wednesday, the administration filed a petition urging the justices to quickly rule that President Donald Trump possesses the authority to impose sweeping trade penalties under federal law. This move comes in the wake of a contentious ruling from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, which found that many of Trump's tariffs were illegal under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA. The appeals court's decision, which was passed by a narrow 7-4 margin, has sent shockwaves through the economic landscape, as states and small businesses have raised alarms over the serious economic hardships these tariffs are causing. The Trump administration's appeal argues that the appeals court ruling casts uncertainty over ongoing foreign negotiations that the president has been pursuing through tariffs. The stakes in this case could not be higher, the administration stated, emphasizing the potential implications for both domestic and international economic relations. The tariffs, first announced in April, have been a cornerstone of Trump's trade policy, aimed at correcting perceived imbalances with countries like Canada, China, and Mexico. Critics of the tariffs, including small business advocates, have been vocal about the detrimental impact these levies have had on their operations. Jeffrey Schwab, an attorney representing affected small businesses, expressed hope for a swift resolution, stating, "These unlawful tariffs are inflicting serious harm on small businesses and jeopardizing their survival." The ongoing legal battle highlights the tension between the executive and legislative branches regarding trade authority, as the Constitution grants Congress the power to impose taxes, including tariffs. Despite the appeals court ruling, which upheld a lower court's decision striking down many of the tariffs, the Trump administration has maintained that it is crucial to defend its position in the Supreme Court. The government has raised concerns that if the tariffs are overturned, it might have to refund billions in import taxes collected, which could deliver a significant blow to the U.S. Treasury. The legal framework surrounding the tariffs is complex. The IEPA allows the president to act against unusual and extraordinary threats, but the appeals court found that Trump's justification for the tariffs did not meet this standard. The dissenting judges argued that the president should have the ability to regulate importation during emergencies without explicit limitations. This legal debate underscores the ongoing struggle over trade policy and the extent of presidential power. As the Supreme Court prepares to consider the case, the implications of their ruling could reshape not only Trump's economic and foreign policy agenda, but also the broader landscape of U.S. trade relations. The tariffs have already alienated U.S. trading partners and raised fears of higher prices for consumers. Revenue from the tariffs had reportedly reached $159 billion by late August, more than double what it was at the same time the previous year, showcasing the significant financial stakes involved. The outcome of this legal battle will be closely watched, as it could have lasting effects on the U.S. economy and its relationships with key international partners. With the Supreme Court's docketing expected soon, all eyes are on how the justices will navigate the intricate legal arguments at play. The administration's push for a rapid resolution indicates the urgency they feel in addressing the potential fallout from the appeals court's ruling. As the legal proceedings unfold, the future of Trump's tariff policy hangs in the balance, with implications that extend far beyond the courtroom. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.